생돼 이렇게 너를 다시 불러보는 잊고 있던 맘들.
So, siya sa mga magaganda. So, tapos, ayun, anong nagkaroon kami ng chance na magkausap at magkasama. Started on sa date. Ayun, nagtuloy-tuloy yung hanggang sa naging kami na.
I wish I could have told you that I was born to love you.
At magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa at sila'y magiging isa. Kaya't hindi na sila dalawa kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao.
Still want you all the time. 아직 내 맘속 한켠의 방에 그리움으로 가득.
A man who's getting married is not part of my plan. And yet, you blessed me with someone na who accepted me and loved me.
시간 속을 헤매는 나를 미워해.
Mark Anthony, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, tinitipan kita maging aking asawa sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya. Ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at itatanging karugtong ng aking buhay, ngayon at kailanman.
Kinakabahan, masaya, excited, overwhelmed. But alam mo yun, yung parang yung feeling na nag-uumapaw yung blessings kasi ito na yun, yung araw na to.
I wish I could have told you that I was made to love you with all my heart.
A best friend who is a constant listener to my random stories. My safe place, knowing that you won't judge me, even on my lowest point.
Still want you all the time. 아직 내 맘속 한켠의 방에 그리움으로 가득 채워.
Lord, thank you. Without you, Lord, wala kami dito. Wala ako dito sa harap ng babaeng mahal ko.
And I want you to know you're the only reason that I stand with, that I stand.
From this day forward, I'm not only marrying you, I also marry your dreams, your ambitions, and your imperfections.
나의 진심이 사랑받던 모든 기억이 내 모든 이유.
Sabi nga nila, to be loved is to be known. At yun yung isa sa gusto ko sa'yo. Kasi lagi mo alam kung ano yung totoo kong nararamdaman. Willing ka na kilalanin ako at i-accept ako.
Parang may kaibigan siya na sinabi na, uy, tignan mo si Mark. Sabi, ang cute ni Mark, ganyan. Parang ganun. Tapos ayun, parang binuyo lang siya. Hindi naman talaga ako gusto niya.
You are a fire, you are the sun. My heart is beating like a drum. Hey love, you look so beautiful tonight.
Mahal,
Ang alin? Ay, game na ba? Oh, hindi pa eh. Excited ka eh. Sabi ko,
When I'm with you, this world is bright. Oh, love, you shine. Take me and set my heart on fire. Oh, love, you shine.
mabait siya sa akin. Recorded ba yan? Edit yun naman yan, di ba?
Direct sa kanya yung naka-headset siya.
With every step, the way you move, it's all drawing me to you. Love, you've got me feeling so alive. Oh, your heart I'll never break. This is a chance that we should take. Love.
mahal, sana magustuhan mo yung napili kong regalo para sa'yo. Higit sa material na bagay, together, we will make memories
na magiging parte ng mga kwentuhan sa ating pagtanda. Mahal na mahal kita. PS, see you at the altar. I love you. Brownie Dudu.
Love you shine. You shine like the rhythm of the waves in the ocean. The speed of your light set my heart in motion. Holding on to every word you speak. With every breath I take, I believe you are.
Alam mo, ang hirap mo isipan ng regalo kasi nasa iyo na ang lahat, nasa iyo na ako. Hahaha.
When I'm with you, this world is brighter. Oh, love.